Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the cells that show currency. Make sure you include headers and hidden rows. Once selected, inspect format number to confirm which currency symbol and decimal places are applied, because removal depends on that setting. Create a quick backup by duplicating the sheet or copying the range to a new tab. This prevents accidental loss. Now, with the range still highlighted, proceed to the first removal action to strip the visible currency formatting. After changing format number to plain number, your numbers may still include symbols as text. That's why you should run edit, find, and replace and target symbols like dollar or euros. Replace with nothing. Once symbols are gone, convert any residual text numbers with value, or by copying and using paste special values to force numeric type. Make sure to check decimal separators, commas versus periods, so conversion succeeds. If not, adjust locale in file settings. Finish by confirming your sheet performs calculations. Sum, average, and sorting should behave numerically. If something breaks, restore the backup you made at the start and reapply steps selectively so you isolate the offending range. For stubborn cells, use isNumber to find non-numeric entries and then correct them with value or manual edits. If formulas return unexpected results, check locale and decimal separators. Changing file settings often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.